Welcome back to another video by Not For The Weak Minded. This is just another short one. Now, this was the same day that I did the divination session. I went for a walk in the woods in Coley, Reading, and these woods, they have a abandoned railway track that used to serve as part of Coley. Mainly it was a storage mainly for storage, basically. Now I can show you the maps another time if you're interested in this, but for another day. Anyway, so I went for a walk, and as I just said, found this abandoned train track, which you can walk on top of, basically, and I come down up and went underneath here. And it's a tip. I need to send an email to Reading Borough Council to get this place cleaned up, because it's an area where, you know, it's meant to be natural beauty and all around it's nice, but until you come to the end of the path and this is what you see. It's disgusting. Just fly tipping everywhere, right? This is not really what the video is about, by the way. Me just showing you evidence of fly tipping. This is more spiritual stuff, because as I just said at the start, I was doing a divination session and many messages come through. But anyway, so when I approached this place, I saw this altar. And as soon as I saw it, I just said to myself, you know, that's an altar. And the program literally went, witch, right? I'm like, okay, no problem, I'll deal with this. So I went over to the altar, I did my spell casting, I cleansed the area of their intentions, and as soon as I finished, it went clear. Now I had to reset the program, unfortunately, but otherwise it would have said witch then clear and it would have been better, but it is what it is. And as you can see by the time and date, it's the same day as I got that message that I've shared with you as well about the unfortunateness of what's in that jabberoonie. So spellcasting, prayer, the power free, it works, and it's all based on intention. Okay, so someone come down here with bad intention and did a spell with, I don't think they did any animal sacrifice or anything like that, but they came down there and did witchcraft, yeah, i.e. they were using the power of free to create bad intentions. And as soon as I saw it, it said witch. I did my spell cast, cleared the entire area, made it, you know, more pure, get rid of the intentions, because unfortunately this is a very sad area, and I was talking about people coming down here and doing drugs and them no longer being here, and as you see by that, right before it says many people, and they come down and they're afraid. Yeah, it's a dodgy area where people come and do shit. And it doesn't have to be that way. It needs to be tidied up. And, well, they told me to volunteer, basically. Yeah. Just basically email the council and volunteer. So that's what I need to do too. So, yeah, clear, bang. Got rid of the intention. And it's incredible. I mean, I laughed my ass off when it happened, because it's just more affirmation for me that I know what I'm talking about and I know what I'm doing. You see? You know, when I say to people that I've had the devil himself, right, has tried to make me a deal through this work, divination work, and I've refused, you know, and how I've had the devil spiritually, literally, as a vision right in my face, and it's, you know, straight out of Hellboy, and yet there are things much uglier than that in the world, Like that Titan being that's chained up under the Euphrates. Anyway, I'm going off on different topics. I saw that thing. That thing's got double row sets of teeth, and it's vicious, and it's grey, and it's ugly as hell. Yeah. Anyway, bye. Till next time.